Hi everyone, how are you all doing? For those who have never seen this face, I am Sophie. Yes, that's me. So you know, the purpose of this video really is just to express my gratitude to all of you, my wonderful subscribers, and also to my viewers. I just want to tell you all how appreciative I am of your continued support. Honestly, this journey is not easy, but with your support and the courage that the Most High has given me, it gives me a push to continue. So I just want to take this time just to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, and I want you all to know that I really appreciate your continued support, and I pray that the hands of the Most High will continue to be on you all. And with all that has been said, I'm gonna prepare a steamed fish video for you all, and I hope that you all will accept it from the bottom of my heart to yours. Thank you all. So with all that has been said, let's get straight into this video. So guys, here in this container here I have 3 snapper fishes that I washed with lemon juice and cold water, and I went ahead and I seasoned with salt only and some garlic. Yes, I do not really use, you know, fish seasoning on my fishes. Salt is enough. As you can see here, I'm displaying, you know, the garlic. You know, I stuffed it, and you know, it's been marinating here for 1 hour. And here are my ingredients. I have Irish potato, carrot, escallion or green onion. Yes, guys. Garlic, my pumpkin, or some say squash. I have as well my yellow, green, and red bell peppers, as well as onion, and a fish flavored soup mix. That's the grace itself. As well, I have some butter. Yes, I'm gonna need butter in this case to do my sauteing, and my okra. So guys, you see all my ingredients. Let's get straight down to business. So what I'm gonna do here is to get my, you know, ingredients ready, wash and cut up. Here I have, you know, the pot on the stove. The flame is on, and right now it's on a medium. And at this point, I'm gonna be adding the butter to the pot. Yes, when I'm steaming fish, I love to use butter. So guys, after I add the butter to the pot, I'm gonna add all my cut up veggies and give it a nice stir. So guys, it's up to you if you want to go ahead and add like your black pepper and stuff. Black pepper is not something that I love to use in my cooking. I use it now and then, but if you choose to, you can go ahead and, you know, put a little black pepper, or, you know, fish season, whatever you choose to put in your saute. At this point, I am going to open this fish flavored soup mix, and I'm gonna season this saute with it as well. So that's 1 pack, and I'm now gonna stir this in. guys, now I'm just gonna add some boiling water. And then the next thing I'm gonna be doing is add the fishes. Guys, in my hand I have 2 peppers. Yes, this pepper here is the scotch bonnet pepper. It's full of flavor. It's whole, and so I'm just gonna put this in the pot, right? So while this is cooking, it's just gonna flavor up the mix, right? Now this one, I'm gonna cut a piece of it because you know when you're having fish, you want, so here I have, you know, just putting a little piece in it. It's not for it to be stingy where, you know, you can't eat your fish, you know, because it's too hot, but you know, to give it that nice spice. So guys, at this point I'm gonna add the fishes. And at this point, I'm gonna add some of the scotch bonnet pepper sauce. This is full of flavor. I encourage you all to get a bottle of this. Make sure you never run out, okay? You can go ahead and add some black pepper. I won't be adding no black pepper. The pepper that I'm using is great enough. So I'm just gonna cover here, and the next time you see me, I will be presenting this beautiful, delicious steamed fish. Okay, so stay tuned for that, guys. I love you all, and remember, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead, it's not too late. Subscribe, turn on the bell notification so that you can get notified as soon as I post new videos. So see you guys at the table in 15 minutes.